Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sync time tracking with payroll. Are you tired of copying over employee hours manually? Let's save some time and reduce errors by syncing time tracking with payroll in Gusto. Here's how to make sure everything flows smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Gusto admin account. Now head over to gusto.com and sign in with your admin credentials. And once you're in, from your dashboard, you're going to go to the time tools or the time tracking section. Step 2, you want to enable time tracking. So if you haven't set it up already, just click on time tracking settings and toggle it on. You also need to make sure your employees are clocking their hours through Gusto or an integrated third-party app like T-Sheet or Homebase. Step 3, link time tracking to payroll. Now in the settings menu, you want to find the sync with payroll option and turn it on. Gusto will automatically pull approved hours into each payroll run, including regular hours, overtime, and PTOs. Step 4, confirm employee eligibility. Now you got to make sure the employee you want to sync with time tracking enabled. So go to each employee profile, scroll to time tracking, and verify that they're set to track hours. Step 5, review hours before each payroll run. Now before you run payroll, go to the run payroll section and you're going to see a breakdown of hours already synced. Just double check everything to make sure it's accurate, and if you need to, you can make edits. Step 6, run payroll as usual. Now once you're confirmed all hours are correct, just process payroll like normal. The synced hours will calculate wages automatically, so there's no need for any manual entry. And that's it. With time tracking synced to payroll, you're cutting down on admin work and making sure that your team gets paid accurately every time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.